the nature and relevance of social teaching of the Church. We are now in the eyes of the world's 13 billion Catholics, as we Filipinos are now part of the Synod held at the Vatican. Pope Francis opened the Synod with our own Manila Archbishop, Luis Antonio Cardinal Tagle. This Synod discussed a number of social issues. Among them are
homosexuality, same-sex relationship,
unmarried couples,
civil marriages of couples wherein one or both of them are divorced. Pope Francis, in his visit in Philadelphia, spoke, "A Christianity which does little in practice while incessantly explaining its teachings is dangerously unbalanced."
he told the church leaders
to adopt a more pastoral approach. Simple are the words of the Pope, but sounds great
with
hope,
prayer for peace,
unity,
and
gifts of the Holy Spirit.
and with
With
these
these
objectives,
objectives,
the social teachings of the Church will reign as godly instruments to make
peace, love,
reign not only in the
Philippines,
but the entire world.